Okay, I would like to go over section 1.3, number 48. So here's a capital F of x is given, and the capital F of x is actually a composition of three functions, f, g, h. So we can actually rewrite it if you want. You can write it as f of, little awkward, but g of h of x, and parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. So that's what it means. All right. Then what we want to do is there are multiple answers to this kind of question, but we want to come up with a function, the formula for f of x, and the formula for g of x, and formula for h of x. All right, so what we need to do is kind of look at which is the outside function, which is the middle function, which is the inside function. All right, so we can kind of peel off the functions one by one. All right, so let's do that. For the very outer function, which is f of x, and so for f of x, that's the very outside function. So we're gonna just try to look at the very outside function, and you can see that on the outside you have eighth root. So that's gonna be our f, right? Then so we can write f of x as eighth root of x, right? Then the middle function is going to be, like, let's see, you're going to have here 2 plus absolute value of x, right? So you can think of 2 plus something right here, right? This absolute value of x is going to be the inside function, which is h of x, so it's an absolute value of x. Right? The middle one would be, the structure would be 2 plus something, so it's going to be 2 plus x. Right? All right, just to make sure that, so these are the formula for f of x and g of x and h of x. Right? So let's make sure that these are the right formulas by just computing f of. So f of g of h of x, so which is going to be as we said before, f of g of h of x, right? So we're gonna work inside out, from inside out. So f of g of, right, h of x is in this case right here, absolute value of x, so put that in there, right? Just replacing h of x by absolute value of x. You get that? All right. Now we plug in absolute value of x into g of x, which is 2 plus x. So it's going to be 2 plus absolute value of x. All right. Then after that, we're going to put this expression 2 plus absolute value of x into the function f, so which is going to be the eighth root of 2 plus absolute value of x, right? So therefore we could verify that this is actually capital H of x, so it works out. So we could verify that these formulas are correct. All right, hopefully this was clear.